In this video, I'll show you the different ways to return your Cox equipment and what you should do before sending it back. Step 1. Identify the equipment. First, gather all the Cox equipment you rented. This may include your modem, Wi-Fi gateway, TV receiver, contour box, power adapter, remote control, and any cables that came with the device. Check your account or service agreement if you're unsure which items need to be returned. Step 2. Prepare the equipment. Before returning the equipment, unplug all devices and remove any personal accessories you've added. If you're returning a modem or gateway, disconnect it from your home network and pack it securely to prevent damage during transport. Return Method 1. Return at a Cox store. One of the easiest ways to return your equipment is by visiting a nearby Cox store. Bring all your equipment to the store, and a representative will inspect the items and provide you with a return receipt. Keep this receipt in a safe place as proof of your return. Method 2. Return by mail. If you can't visit a Cox store, you may be able to return your equipment by mail, depending on your location. Follow the return instructions provided by Cox. Pack the equipment securely, attach the shipping label if one is provided, and drop the package off with the designated shipping carrier. Be sure to keep your tracking number until the return has been processed. Confirm the return. After returning your equipment, sign into your Cox account or contact Cox customer support to verify that your equipment has been received and removed from your account. This helps ensure you won't be billed for unreturned devices. And that's it. Returning your Cox equipment is simple when you follow these steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more internet, TV, and tech support tutorials. Thanks for watching.